everyone, my name is Jamile and here is English with JeJe. Welcome to my class. Last night I was sleeping when the telephone rang in the middle of the night. I responded very quietly because my mom was sleeping. It was my brother. He started talking about his children. He has a son and a daughter. My niece is a very good student. She learns very quickly. She does her homework very well. She learns very rapidly. She can do all the exercises very easily and quickly. On the other hand, her brother, that's my nephew, is a little careless. He doesn't learn quickly, he learns slowly. They're both good learners, but they're not the same. All right, class, tell me, how many of you can drive a car? What kind of driver are you? Are you a fast driver? Do you drive safely or do you drive dangerously? Do you drive carefully? Do you pay attention to the signs with open eyes? Or no, you just drive carelessly? Yeah? How do you drive?
I drive carefully.
Oh, great! Joe drives carefully. Excellent! Good job, Joe! Alright, class. Before we go to today's lesson, I want you to give me any adjectives you know. Can you please? Yes, please.
Happy.
Happy.
Angry.
Angry. Excellent.
Sad.
Sad. Very good.
Slow.
Excellent. Very good. Slow. Like, for example, good.
Fast.
Fast. Excellent. As you know, these are all adjectives. And the adjective talks about a noun, talks about me, talks about you, or talks about something or someone. For example, you're so happy. I'm so happy too. Are you angry? No, I'm not angry. Now compare these two sentences. Joe is a careful driver. Joe drives carefully. As you can see, here, careful is an adjective because it talks about the driver. But in the second sentence, carefully is an adverb because it talks about the action. It talks about how Joe drives. Listen to my sentence. I am a good dancer. I dance very beautifully. Can you dance beautifully too? My mom knows how to speak Arabic. She speaks Arabic very fluently. Can you speak Arabic fluently too? All right, now, can you give me a sentence with slow? Like, she is a slow learner. Excellent, very good. She is a slow learner. Excellent. Now, can you change it into an adverb? We say she learns. She learns. We have an adjective. We want to change it into an adverb. We say slow. Excellently. Thank you. So as you can see, we have an adjective plus what? L-Y. Excellent. This is called an adverb. Most of the adverbs end in ly. So, for example, we say slow, slowly. Happy,
happily.
Excellent. Angry,
angrily.
Very good. Quick,
quickly.
Excellent. But sometimes we have some irregular adverbs. Like good, the adverb is well. For example, I'm a good singer. I sing very well. My dad is a very fast rider. He rides very fast. These adverbs are called irregular adverbs. Like good, well. Like, for example, fast is fast. No change. Or hard is hard. No change. Alright, class. Now I want you to take your time and take a look at these sentences. Try to guess which one is the adjective and which one is an adverb. You've got 2 minutes. Let's do it together. Fast runners win races. Is it about the runner or is it about winning?
Runner.
Runner, excellent. So, it is an adjective? Excellent. Good job. This is an adjective. Very good. How about number 2? Math is difficult. Is it about math or is it about doing math?
Math.
So it's an
Adjective too.
excellent. It's an adjective too. Great job. Now, number 3. She types well. Is it about typing or is it about she?
Typing.
Good job. So it's an
Adverb.
adverb. Excellent. It talks about typing. The kid behaved rudely. Can you guess what it is? Is it an adjective or an adverb?
Adverb.
Adverb, because it talks about behaving. Excellent. Okay, would you please read it, Joe?
He left the room quietly.
Can you guess what it is? What is this word?
Adverb.
Excellent. Now, can you say why? First we have
Ly.
excellent, ly, and then what does it talk about?
Talk about the living.
Excellent. Good job. It talks about leaving. So he left the room quietly. And the last one. Jane works hard. What is it? Is it about Jane or is it about working?
Working.
Good job. So it's an
Adverb.
adverb. Thank you very much. Alright class, as you can see, we have 3 lists of words. 1 are the subjects, 2 are the verbs, and 3 are the adverbs. I want you to take your time and try to make sentences with these 6 words. You've got to make 2 sentences. You can expand your sentences and use other words too. You have 5 minutes. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Would you please?
Mary speaks.
Mary, very good, yeah. Speaks.
Very quietly.
Excellent, very good. Quietly, why?
Because her mom is sick.
Good job, thank you. Can you say sentence number 2?
That man plays
Okay.
football very well.
Excellent, good job. That man plays football very well, thank you. Now class, I want you to become 2 groups of 2 and take a look at the handouts I give you. You've got 5 minutes to take a look at the sentences and do the activity. And talk with your partner about the activity and how you can do it. What kind of dancer are you? Do you dance beautifully? Do you dance well or do you dance badly? How about your English? How is it? Do you speak English fluently? Can you play any music instruments? For example, can you play the flute well? I want you to take your time for 5 minutes and talk with your partner about these activities and how you can do them. Thank you very much, class. Now I want you to take a look at this game quiz and try to answer the questions very quickly. Thank you very much for having English classes with me. I have written 2 subjects on the board. You can choose one and try to write a paragraph about each you prefer. How should you pick up a baby? Or how do you study before an exam? Please write a paragraph about each you prefer and submit your assignment on the website I shared with you. Try to use as many adverbs as you can. See you around!